Skinification is the next major trend. It's taking all over the cosmetic industry and it's impacting whole other body care products and hair care products. First of all, we need to understand what skinification term means. It means using facial actives in the rest of the body and also in the hair and scalp care too. We know that these active materials have huge benefits to the face, so why not bring them to the rest of the body? Hence the skinification trend. I'm seeing a lot of skincare and hair care products as including niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, cosmetics like actives such as AHA acid, BHA acid. So they have a lot of benefits, so why not bring them to the rest of the body? It makes sense, right? And consumers are also demanding and industry and listening to, and this trend is going to get bigger and bigger every year. Hence today's video that we're going to make niacinamide and caffeine serum that inspired by skinification trend. Hello, welcome to Zyber Organics. My name is Sunayane. I'm the brand owner and founder of Zyber Organics, where I sell cosmetics candles, also teach you DIY cosmetics on this channel. Hello, welcome. And today's 5% niacinamide and caffeine serum has a lot of benefits to the scalp. Niacinamide brings a lot of nourishment to hair roots, and caffeine brings a lot of stimulation for hair growth as well. I added a little bit of surfactant just to give the scalp a little cleansing effect, so that when you use this serum and when you go have a shower and shampoo, your scalp will be really cleansed and stimulated for hair growth as well. So without further ado, let's start this 5% niacinamide and caffeine serum. Okay, so this is a new style of recording. Let me know in the comments if you like it or if you want to go to prefer the old style. As usual, you can see the formula on the screen. So first we're gonna start with hydrating the xanthan gum. So I'm gonna add 0.3 gram xanthan gum and 5 gram glycerin together. Let's mix it so you can see it from here. So let's put this aside while it hydrates. Let's continue on with the rest. First, we're going to add niacinamide, caffeine, and panthenol all together in here. 2 gram panthenol. So 2 gram caffeine. And then 5 gram niacinamide. So we're gonna add lavender water and the rest of the water. So I'm adding 20 gram lavender water, but you can also add eucalyptus, which will give a nice fresh. I don't have eucalyptus, so I'm adding lavender. And rest of the water, which is 62.4. Let's just dissolve this. It will take a lot of time for this to dissolve, but just keep mixing and it will dissolve as you mix. Okay, this is now cleared. So let's add adding rice protein. So this is also helps with the hair. I'm adding 2 gram rice protein. Okay, 2 gram. Okay, so I'm also adding my preservative, which is 0.8. Very nice mix. So let's bring the glycerin side. I'm also gonna add the surfactant here. So I'm adding a little bit of surfactant just to give us that cleansing. 0.5 surfactant on the glycerin side so that it doesn't bubble up, foam. Okay, so give it a stir. Okay, so now we can add the water side. We can add the water side into the glycerin mix. So okay, and then let's mix it. Okay, so after giving a good mix, you can see this has now become a nice slightly thick, a bit like slightly gel, but not much. Slightly thick water basically. There's a lot of actives in it. So let me just bottle up and then you can see it in up close. Okay, now the bubble's a little bit cleared. Let's bottle this up. As you can see, it's become a nice transparent gel. Gel-like, not really gel, but gel-like. You can see it up close as well. So let me just show the texture as well. As you can see, it's very nice clear gel. It's all there's a little bit of bubbles in there, but it will clarify once, you know, next day. And so let's see the texture as well. It's very smooth liquid texture, and not just a little bit gel, slightly, basically thick water. So as you can see, it's very gel-like texture and it's very soft. So you can use this before you go to shampoo, before you go to a shower. Let it sit on your hair, and then let your scalp absorb it. It's very smooth because of the gel, because of the slightly gel texture. So it's, and I'll show you on my skin as well. Here, and it has a nice gel-like texture here. Yeah. You can actually use this to style your hair as well, but it's not, I don't know, but it's really, I can feel the instant relief, like, because it's soothing. But if you add eucalyptus water in here, it's just gonna be really nice. So yeah, so here's the niacinamide and caffeine serum that you can make it at home. It's, as you can see, it's very easy. You just need to get the active ingredients, and you can use it as a scalp, you know, in your scalp, a little bit of cleansing because of the surfactant, and you can wash your hair after this, and it will really hydrate and stimulate your scalp. So this is the Skinification Niacinamide and Caffeine Serum. If you have any questions, as usual, let me know in the comments. If you like the format of the new, how I record the video, also let me know in the comments. And I will be doing a makeup remover milk. I got inspired by a formula I've seen online. So next week I'm going to do that, and then hopefully I'm going to start doing the cream after that. So yeah, and again, any questions, let me know in the comments. Until then, see you later. Take care, bye.